Good day everyone, it's your boy Tom Banto back again for another video. Our topic for our new video is all about combination. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, combination is under probability. And when we say probability, it is a branch of mathematics that deals or shows how likely things are to happen or occur. And when we say combination, it is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangement in a collection of items where the order of selection does not matter. Now that's our keyword. In combination, order does not matter. Unlike in permutation, order does matter. Moving forward and focusing on our main topic, there are two types of combination. The first one is the combination of n objects taken r at a time. The next one is the combination of n objects taken one or more at a time. Now that we know what is combination and the type it has and how it is different from permutation, let us now move on to our example. A group of Mobile Legends players consisting of 7 members wants to join a professional tournament. Enable for all the players to play. How many ways will they have to play? First thing to do is to analyze the content of the example. What we have here is number of combinations of n objects taken r at a time. So the formula we need to use is combination of n and r is equals to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So how do we know what is c, what is n, and what is r? C is the number of combinations, n is the total number of objects, and r is the selected objects or number of selected objects. Back to the example, next thing to do is to determine all the given. But take note, there are given that are sometimes not mentioned in the example itself. Just like here on our example, it is easy to say that our n or total number of objects is a group of ML players consisting of 7 members. So our n is 7. Since it is the only mentioned given, we need to analyze more. It is said that the game will be Mobile Legends. And ML or Mobile Legends is a 5v5 battlefield arena. So our R or the number of selected objects will be 5 because the game only requires 5 players each team to play in the main battlefield. Now that we have our given, we need to substitute our given to our formula. Again, our formula is combination of n and r is equals to n factorial over r factorial multiplied by n minus r factorial. So, all of the n will be 7 and all of the r will be 5. So, it will be combination of 7 and 5 is equal to 7 factorial over 5 factorial multiplied by 7 minus 5 factorial. The next thing to do is to subtract first what's inside the parentheses. So, 7 minus 5. So, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So, it will become 7 factorial over 5 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. After subtracting, we need to expand the equation to better understand. So, it will become 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. If you notice, there are similarities on our equation. What we need to do is to cancel. So, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, both will be cancelled. So, what we have left is 7 times 6 over 2 times 1. After we canceled both similar givens, we need to multiply what's left. So, 7 times 6 is 42 and 2 times 1 is 2. After we get all the products, we then divide 42 by 2. So, 42 divided by 2 is 21. So, that's our final answer. So, the answer to the question how many ways will have the players to play is 21 ways. We've come to the end of the video and I hope you've learned something from me. But before we end this video, Let's have a recap. Combination is an arrangement of objects where order does not matter, and it has two types. The first one is the combination of n objects taken r at a time. The second one is the combination of n objects taken one or more at a time. In computing combination, first thing to do is to analyze the example. Next is determine the given. After that, we need to substitute the given and use the appropriate formula. And then, we need to follow the formula until we get the right answer. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and God bless. Bye bye.